In ancient Mesopotamian text, Enlil, the god of wind, storms, and death, ruled from Nimble. Born of Anu and Ki, his authority was unrivaled. Adorned with a horned cow, he wielded the tablet of destinies, controlling the fates of gods and mortals. Revered for his wisdom and capricious nature, Enlil's blessings and destruction shaped the land. Enlil decided to cleanse the world of humanity. He brought a cataclysmic deluge. A mortal named Zeusudra built a boat to save himself, his family, and the animals. After the flood, Zeusudra's vessel rested on a mountain. Enlil, initially angered by human survival, granted Zeusudra and his wife immortality as a sign of mercy and recognition of their resilience.